Hi, hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel AxelBuzz Testing, where you will learn in easy, simple way. So today's video is a little bit different. We are going to talk about ChatGPT, Open AI tool. Is ChatGPT future of software testing, or is it going to replace manual testers' job, or will it become companion in software testing? Let's find out in this video. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a chatbot powered by artificial intelligence AI. You can have conversation with it, you can prompt it to write essays, create recipes, make medical diagnosis, mimic famous authors and code software as well. Even it helps you to test your code. It is free as of now, but you have to pay eventually $20 for a month. Let's find out how it helps you in software testing. First of all, what all tasks you perform in software testing? It is requirement analysis, then test or collect the test scenarios, then test case writing, then test execution, then test reports. If test case got failed, then bug logging, and then automation. So these all tasks we perform in software testing process. So let's find out if all these tasks can be done by ChatGPT or not. I have asked few questions to ChatGPT related to our software testing phases, and let's see what answers I have got, and after that we can analyze whether it is helpful for us or not. Start. So if you type ChatGPT in Google, the first ever result you will get is this openai.com. This is our ChatGPT software's window. Just try ChatGPT, click here. You have to log in by your Gmail account and you are good to go. Window where you will be chatting with the ChatGPT and it will gives you answers. So I have collected few questions related to testing field, and then let's see how it answers for that. So in testing, what is our first phase is our requirement analysis. So let's find out how it analyzes our requirements. So I have given one question, how ChatGPT can analyze the requirements in software testing. Let's see what it answers. It analyzes your requirement as natural language processing, then contextual understanding, then it has domain specific knowledge, it is saying machine learning it is using. So overall, ChatGPT can help software testers to analyze the requirements by providing insights, recommendations and suggestions that can inform testing process and so on. So it is telling that it can analyze the requirements. So let's see, let's give it one example and find out whether it is really it can do it or not. So I have given one question. User should get error message if password is incorrect in logging form. Analyze this requirement. So let's see how it analyzes the requirements. So I gave you one requirement and I told you to analyze that. Then it gave me so many things. First of all, security, user experience, compliances, and it is also important to consider the error message is displayed or not. So many things it wrote. It analyzed the requirements correctly so far. So this phase is passed. So let's see, now our next phase is test scenarios writing or collection of test scenarios. So let's see how it goes. So I told you to derive unique 20 test scenarios of this requirement. I am in same chat and let's see how it responds. It gives me 20 unique correct scenarios and like enter valid username, valid password, enter valid username, incorrect password because I gave you error message wala requirement. Then enter invalid username, incorrect password, valid username, correct password, etc, etc, so on. It gave me 20 unique and correct scenarios. So ChatGPT can help you to write the test scenarios. It will help you to find out the test scenarios. You can use it for your writing test scenarios. This is also pass. Now our third important step is how to write the test case. So let's pick one scenario from this list and let's see how it write for the test case. So here is writing the test case, starting from the purpose, preconditions, test steps, then expected result, test data. It is giving you test data as well. Test environment it is suggesting. Test result, pass or fail, also it is telling you how it will become pass, how it will become fail. So it is writing appropriate test cases. So you can take the help of it and you can write the test cases from it. So it wrote the test case. Our next phase is test execution. Let's see how it execute test case or not. I have given the question how to execute this test case. So it is telling me you can do this, you can identify valid username, incorrect password, and you can buy the test data and you can do so many steps. It is telling you you have to just follow it and you can execute this test case. Which browser you can use, which environment you can use, everything it provide you. See, as an AI language model, it is simply AI language model. So it is only telling you that it cannot execute the test cases and it don't have access to execute the test cases. But it can help you how to execute or how to write the test case or how to find out the test scenarios. It will help you in all the manner, but finally it cannot execute the test cases. So our test execution phase got failed. Now let's see, if your test case is fail, then you will go to log the defect. Let's see how it helps you in logging the defect. So I'm asking him question, can you open Jira and log the defect? Let's see how it goes. Again it is telling, as an AI language model I cannot log the defect, but I can help you in doing that. So it is telling the process, log into a Jira account, create new issue, then create a bug, then fill out the necessary information and so on. So see, it cannot log the defect, but it can tell you which points to be mentioned while logging the defect or how to write the defect. So let's see how it answers. So to log the defect in Jira, follow this step. It is telling you how to log into Jira and how to create the bug, then how to fill the necessary information like summary, description, steps to reproduce, priority, severity, assignee to whom you have to assign, and attachments if any. Means it can give you all the information related to logging the defect, but it cannot log the defect for you. So many things it gave you. So defect logging is not possible. So let's see. Now next phase comes is test reporting. So let's see how it writes the report or how it helps you to write the reports. So I gave you this question to ChatGPT, can you generate test reports? So let's see what it answers. Simply it says, as an AI language model, I cannot directly access to your testing tools or test data to generate the reports. However, I can help you to write that, and it is giving you information like how to write the or generate the test report, like introduction, test environment, test plan, test execution, defect tracking, conclusion, and so many things. So like this, here also you cannot replace manual test engineer with the ChatGPT bot while writing the test reports. Let's see one more question, how it will guide you to write the report. Which points to be considered while generating the test report? So introduction, then test plan, so many things it is giving. Every time it will give you different information related to it. As your question changes, it will answer you in different ways. So it gave you lot of information which points to be considered while reporting. It means it cannot generate report, you have to generate report. You can take help of it and you can generate the report. One more question, which tools you can use while reporting? Let's see how it goes. So it is telling like you can use Microsoft Excel sheets, Google Sheets, TestRail, Jira, etc. Zephyr. By the way, we have full series on Zephyr. You can go to our channel and click on Zephyr series and you can watch Zephyr here. So many Jira, so many tools it has mentioned. You can refer any tool and you can write the report. Now the main step is automation. Let's see whether ChatGPT can automate software testing for us or not. Let's see, let's find out. I'm giving you this question, can you automate the test case? Let's see what it answers. It is telling you, yes, it is possible to automate the test case you provided earlier, but it is telling you how steps, how to do that. Identify suitable automation tool and then develop the automation script, then use the automation script and do this, then do that, run the automation script, how it to run, then record the result. But let's see, can ChatGPT automate the test case? As an AI language model, I am not allowed to automate the test case. So it cannot automate the test cases for you. But it can help you to automate the test case. It can help you to find out right tool, or it can help you to find out right framework for your automation. It can give you code as well for your automation, but you have to implement that. It cannot implement for you. You have to take that snippet and merge that into your coding, and then you have to run the test. Then you can automate the test, not ChatGPT. More question I am giving. Which automation framework is best? Let's see what it answers. It is telling you that no automation framework is best. Depends on your project, your requirements, including your application and which test you have to perform. And it has been giving you so many things, so many tools. You have to choose one tool from that and you have to automate your test cases. So here also human intelligence is required to find out the best tool. It is giving you usages of each and every tool, but it is not telling you which tool you have to use. But if you pick one tool, it will help you to guide and write the test cases. So one more question I gave you, like write a code for login page automation of LinkedIn. So let's see how it writes. So let's see how it writes. It is telling you, as a AI model, I cannot have access directly to write the code or automate the LinkedIn page, but I can give you the code. You can copy that into your model, your framework, and you can automate the LinkedIn login page. So it is giving you everything. Selenium code it gave you with the help of Python, and it is mentioning driver and then URL, username, password. Then it has mentioned sleep. Right from the driver open to driver close, it is giving you everything. So you have to just copy this code, you have to paste it into your framework, and you have to just run the test cases. It will help you to automate the test case, but finally that is your work. You have to do that. It cannot do it for you. So what we understood from it, test engineers or manual test engineers, automation test engineers are not replaceable by ChatGPT. ChatGPT cannot replace manual testers or automation testers, because ChatGPT is only AI language model. It can provide you information, guidance on testing methodologies, techniques. It is even best practices. It will suggest you best tools, frameworks in automation. However, it cannot replace the role of manual and automation test engineer, as it cannot execute the test cases or as it cannot write the code for testing. So it is irreplaceable. Manual testing is an essential part of the testing process, and it requires human ability to think critically, observe and analyze the result. So it provides feedback on the quality of the application under the test. Manual testing involves exploratory testing, user experience testing, usability testing, and many other such types that cannot be replaceable by any bot. And automation techniques, on the other hand, requires mix of technical and domain knowledge to develop and maintain the scripts, and also to analyze and interpret the results. While automating testing can help to increase the speed of efficiency of testing process, it still requires human invention for tasks such as designing the test case, selecting right tools and frameworks, and interpreting the result. Even which test cases should be automated and which should not automate, that can be decided only by priority and only by human thinking ability. Therefore, while AI language models like ChatGPT can provide you valuable insights and guidance and support to the testing process, but they cannot replace by human expertise and judgment required for effective testing. So ChatGPT can become your best companion in software testing, in manual testing as well and in automation testing as well. On this note, we'll end this video here. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We post videos on every Tuesday and Friday. If you have any queries, if you have any suggestions, please write down in comment section. Till then, happy testing. Bye bye.